Let's plant our elephant garlic. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and in today's video we're going to be planting our elephant garlic. We're now in October and now is the perfect time to be planting your garlic. However, elephant garlic is not actually part of the garlic family, it's part of the leek family. So yeah, it's weird that it's called garlic, but it's not actually part of the garlic family. Now these can grow to an absolutely huge size. Now these aren't a full bulb, these elephant garlic, these are like half, but they're absolutely massive, and hopefully we get quite a few cloves off these to plant. Now we're going to be spacing these out quite well. It says plant 30 centimeters apart, so yes, they do need a lot of space, and you need to plant them to a depth of 15 centimeters, so quite deep as well. So yeah, we're going to be getting these in the ground. We've dug it over, we've cleared it, we're going to be planting it in the same bed as our garlic. We're going to be feeding them throughout the winter period and into the springtime, because when they get the leaves, that's what they need to help them swell up in the springtime, and then we'll feed them with tomato feed come springtime to help fatten them up. So during the winter time we'll feed them with onion and garlic feed, which you can get from most garden centres and online, which yeah, it'll help speed it up and hopefully get some great produce. So we need to split all these up into individual cloves and get these planted in the ground. So yeah, let's do that. So I've observed these are not individual cloves. As you can see, they're just one round, they've not split into individual cloves. So what we need to do is just plant these separately in the garden, and these will then form the bulb and split up into individual garlic cloves. So yeah, we've got to plant these individually in the garden. So I'm expecting to plant these individually in separate cloves, but no, I don't need as much space for these, so we need to plant these at a 15 centimetre depth. So we shove them right into the ground. So we're going to cover them over to let them grow. Make sure there's no weeds around, because they don't like fighting with the weeds. So yeah, that is that job done. I need to get all these out, but that's a job for another day. So yeah, hopefully they'll grow. The last thing to do is I'm going to feed them, put some food on them, and hopefully we're going to net them as well to stop the birds from pulling out the shoots once they start growing, along with the normal garlic as well. So yeah, let's get them fed and get them netted. So we've got the elephant garlic in the ground, we've got it netted over, we've put some feed over the top, the onion and garlic feed, so that it'll help with the nitrogen in the soil. But once they take established and they get growing, then we'll take the netting off during the winter months when it's snowing, so that we can keep the netting and hopefully use it again on something else next year. So yeah, fingers crossed we get some great elephant garlic and see how big it actually grows. So make sure you drop us a follow and stay up to date and see how well it grows throughout the year and how well we harvest it next year. See if we get some huge elephant garlic bulbs. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.